If you've been wondering how to zoom in Lightroom, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy ways to zoom in on the desktop version of Lightroom so you can inspect your photos more closely, check sharpness, and spot noise before you export. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first method is the easiest. Just click directly on your photo inside Lightroom. When you click once, Lightroom will zoom your image to 100%. That makes it much easier to inspect details like focus, texture, and fine edges. If you click again, Lightroom will zoom back out. So this is a very fast way to toggle between a closer view and your normal view. The second method is using keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in, and Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out. If you're on a Mac, use Command and the plus key to zoom in, and Command and the minus key to zoom out. Keyboard shortcuts are great when you want to work faster and keep your editing workflow smooth. The third method is using the zoom controls at the bottom of the screen. Look along the lower area of Lightroom and you'll see zoom options like Fit, Fill, and 100%. Fit shows the entire image in your workspace. Fill expands it to fill the preview area, and 100% lets you inspect the photo at full detail. You can also adjust the zoom percentage depending on how close you want to look. Once you're zoomed in, you may want to move around the image. To do that, just click and drag the photo to pan across different areas. This is especially useful when you're checking details in the corners, the eyes in a portrait, or sharpness in a landscape. A really important tip is to use 100% zoom when you want to check sharpness and noise. That way you can make better decisions about sharpening, denoising, and whether a photo is truly in focus. So to recap, you can zoom in by clicking on the image, using keyboard shortcuts, or adjusting the zoom slider at the bottom. Each method is useful depending on how you like to edit. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Lightroom basics made easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.